Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the OHO Smart Sunglasses. Step into the future of eyewear with the OHO Smart Sunglasses, the ultimate blend of style, technology, and functionality. Whether you're capturing your next thrilling adventure, streaming your favorite tunes, or simply enjoying the great outdoors, OHO Smart Sunglasses are your perfect companion. These Bluetooth sunglasses with open ear speaker systems allow you to listen to your favorite music and everything around you. HD microphones offer high quality sound while on calls, the perfect alternative when earbuds are not an option. Earbuds are great, but not ideal when in traffic. With the speaker built into the frame, you can keep your ears clear with these ingenious smart glasses. With the unisex design, they're perfect for both men and women. So how exactly do you use them? Well, before using, ensure the sunglasses are fully charged using the provided USB cable. Locate the power button, usually on the arm of the glasses. Press and hold until the indicator light turns on. Then enable Bluetooth on your phone and pair with the glasses. Perfect for working, driving, boating, cycling, and so much more. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.